Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious nachos for your business, step by step. We will cover everything from initial planning to the final presentation. Understanding these key steps will help you create a successful and profitable nacho offering. Focus on quality ingredients and efficient processes to delight your customers and build a strong reputation. Next, let's talk about sourcing and preparation. Selecting the right ingredients is crucial for a standout nacho. Opt for sturdy tortilla chips that can hold up to generous toppings. Freshly prepared items like pico de gallo and guacamole elevate the experience. Remember to shred your own cheese for the best melt and flavor, and portion everything precisely to manage costs effectively. Now, let's assemble and cook those delicious nachos. Begin by layering your chips evenly on a heat-safe tray to ensure every chip gets some love. Apply a generous amount of cheese, making sure it melts thoroughly and covers everything. Bake or broil until the cheese is bubbly and slightly golden. For busy operations, a conveyor oven can provide consistent results and speed. Finally, presentation and service are key to a memorable nacho experience. Garnish your nachos with fresh cilantro or a dollop of sour cream for visual appeal. Serve them immediately so the chips stay crisp and the cheese remains perfectly warm. Offering a variety of dipping sauces allows for customer customization. Excellent staff training ensures efficient assembly and friendly service every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.